Okay, so the pallet is very easy to change. We just need to open, and it's very low height. We don't need too much strong to all the pallets. So it's
just 2 fingers.
Yes, it's very easy. We can adjust the distance we have for the shirts or bags or what we want to print, and block, and that's it. Doesn't move.
So it looks very easy.
Yeah.
So what about the printing arm? Can you explain me how we see here, like this touch terminal?
So here we have the command button is like start and stop. So for the machine, and individual we have up and down the head,
so
move
on
the
this,
squeegee.
On this machine goes down the arms, not the pallets.
Yeah, the pallet only turn, doesn't move up and down. So only the heads is moving, okay? We have up and down the head. We move the squeegee. We can control the speed. For example, we can adjust the speed we want, depend the pressure, depend the quality we want in the end. We can select individual speed for print or float. Mm-hmm. We can choose a different speed, and also we can choose head by head a different setup. For example, this one needs 3 strokes. We can print 3 strokes here, and the next color we only need 1 color. One stroke. We just select 1 stroke there, 3 strokes here, and it's independent settings. We can release for check if it's okay, the registration or the coverage is good or not. Also, we can move auto 1 movement back. Okay, the machine comes and we can see what is the thing we have.
And the machine turns on only counterclockwise?
In this moment, the machine is working anti-clockwise, but we can run the both sides. We can choose clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay.
What about the screen clamps? How can I hold the frame inside of the machine?
So here we can open the clamp for tight and make the registration 100% fixed. Mm-hmm. So actually, after to block the both, we have on the back and we have on the top. Okay. After block the both
in 3 points,
we can move the screen. We have the micro registration. So when we have the registration with a little bit out, we just need to adjust millimeters or something like that. We can go a micro registration. Here we can control the air pressure.
So, and this air pressure is for what?
The air pressure is for the pressure we have on the squeegee. Okay? When we print, we select the pressure we have. So it means more pressure, more strong, we have to press the ink through the garment or the textile we are printing.
Here I see you have some
Here
angles.
we can adjust the angles. It's easy. Just release and we can move the squeegee for the angle we want. Depend the job you are doing. You can do different angles and different heads. Also, we can we can adjust the height on the squeegee. What is height? Is the contact we have on the pallet. So if we have the pressure here, the pneumatic pressure, here is mechanic height. So it's like a limit pressure on the pallet. Okay. And we have the both.
How I choose when the printing head is moving? No, I mean while the printing head. What I choose or how I set the area of the movement?
You can select here, depend if you have the big design or small design. You can choose the space you want to move.
So I just moving with this?
Yeah, just move that. Let me see. I can imagine we have a small design. We don't need to go all head. We just move this, and that's it. Okay. But in that case, we have a design, something like this here, and we adjust, and that's
done.
it. Yeah.
And what about the off contact?
The off contact we can control on the 3 points also. The good thing is the head is moving with the screen, not the pallet. And the good point is we have all the contact in the same heads.
So you don't have a central off contact?
Yeah, yeah. So we can after we select or we put on the right out contact, it's always like that. We don't move the pallet. It's only the head is moving. So the out contact is in the head, so it's easy to fix the contact and the 3 points.
So I can choose a different of contact on the start of the print and on the
exactly.
end of the
yes,
print.
Yes.
And what if I want to clean the screen?
So for clean, it's easy. So actually, we need to have the design clean without ink. We just go up and clean under the head the screen with water or solvent, depending you are using. And then we just pull down, and that's it.
Perfect. What about
Easy.
the barriers?
The barriers is only for safe. When you are doing some job inside, we put the bars inside. It's yellow. It means it's not possible to move the machine. Okay.
So tell me something about the flash.
So the flash, we have a 3-stage for the lamps. So if we have a small design, you don't need to use all the lamps on the flash. We just select the area we want to dry, and I don't know if you can show.
I will try
under the palette.
Yes.
Okay. So now we have only one stage is working. If I select the back side, for example, okay, all this is on and the rest is off. It's mean if my design it's only on the top, we don't need to use we save power actually.
And how can I choose the time and the temperature? And
also we have here we can choose the time 0 to 10 seconds and 0 to 250 degrees, around that. It's the maximum. So and we can after to start the production, we can adjust the temperature and the time because the pallets comes warm. We don't need too much temperature and time, and we can produce more.
And can you show me just a little bit the main PLC of the machine?
Yeah. So here we have the main page. We can select the first piece or end piece is when we start the production and when you finish. So when we start, we select first, and the machines start one by one until do all around the machine. And the last piece is exactly reverse. When we finish, we tell the machine, this is the last piece I will print, and it stop one by one until the last piece is here. Okay. Inside we have some programs. We have avoid pallets in case if you have some pallet damage or some accident or something like that. We have a multi-print. On a multi-print you can select until 7 rounds on the machine. For example, you have 5 colors and only have 2 flashes. So you select first round one color, flash, another color, flash.
So we will try
Next.
it under the coffee break because we have a 5-color
Okay, perfect.
print with
Perfect.
only one
It's
flash.
easy to show. We have the double index. We can select the foot pedal to pause or start stop.
Because I see 2 pedals here.
Yeah, one is for skip. Skip is the machine is running and I don't have time to put the bag on correct position. For example, I do like that and the machine is moving. I just press here and this pallet doesn't print one around.
So it works before the machine
Index.
index.
Okay,
So
when the machine starts, it goes on the middle, you press
you have still time.
skip and the one round, we skip the pallet for doesn't print any color and we save the
garment.
garment.
And how can I choose which print head will print or flash?
So on the main page, we have our machine here. It means we have, in that case, 4 heads ready to print, and we have 2 flashes select. So inside the heads, we can select the strokes, as I told you, and even the floodings we can choose.
So covered
With
screen
flood,
or open
no
screen?
flood, exactly. We can choose also to print outside to inside or inside to outside. We can adjust.
Perfect.
And we have the F. F is the flash. We just red, it means it's off, green is on.
And what if I need to move with the flash to the other position?
Okay, if you need, you just need to tell the machine, goes to the connections, and all the connections have a number. Okay, and I see here, and I will tell the machine, I want the connection number 1 on position. You have the numbers on the motors, and on the position 3. We go to 3, and we'll see the flash is coming, and we don't have head. It's not possible to
So
damage.
It's not possible to make a print with the head.
Exactly. If you select green, green is for the flash, not for the head. Okay, in that case, we go again to 0.
And what if I have a waiting time for the machine 2 seconds, but the flash needs 8 seconds? So the garment just goes away?
No, if we finish the print and we have 8 seconds on the flash, the machine only running for the next piece when the flash is finished.
So the machine waiting for the
For
flash.
the flash to finish the settings we put on the flash. And also we have an extra waiting time is if the machine is running high production, so I don't have time to put our garment or bag or what else. I can choose the waiting time, like 5 seconds, for example. The machine move, print, and after finish all the steps, I have more 5 seconds, and then the machine is moving.
Or I can step to the pedal, the machine don't move when
yeah.
I still...
If you select the foot pedal, like here we have, foot pedal is green is start or stop. If I press, let me see if I have some head, no, it's suspend. If I press start and if I stop, the machine stop. If I press again, the machine is start. Okay, it's like switch this button to the foot pedal. And also we have the function for pause. The machine is running.
So when you are in automatical
Yeah,
mode,
we press and the machine only starts or only goes to the another piece when I let doesn't matter the time I'm here. When I finish to put all my things, I let and the machine running.
okay, and my last question.
Yep.
What is this?
Oh, okay. Good question. This is good for the guys operating the machine, is the lasers. So we can use for have all the pieces on the same position, each pallet. So, for example, this I have the bag here. Okay, I can put my lasers there, and here. When the machine is moving, comes without the laser is there. We don't need to do a mark like a pen or something like that. We just come here, boom, and that's it.
Easy.
And also, if you have, for example, a pocket, you want to print on a pocket, imagine we have a pocket here. We do the design, like the pocket is here. I know I will print always here. Okay, it's friendly.
It's very smart.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go print.
Yeah, let's do.
So, what now? Now we are not sure if the image is set. Because
we move
a little
but
bit with the screen and
now
everything.
let's see. We hope it's setting. So we program now. I want the head number 1, flash, head number 3, flash again, and number 5. First piece.
So now we are printing the only one time white or more times?
Only one time, 3 strokes.
3 strokes. So only
Okay.
one screen without flash.
No, with flash, but
Between the ink.
exactly. So first piece and start. Okay.
Can I change the speed?
Yeah.
We are not printing on the arms.
Because the head is on top.
Yes.
We need to. Okay.
And why we are printing so fast?
So, because we want a good white, a good amount ink on the bag. So, if we go fast, we can let more ink, more deposit on the in this case on the bag. If we put more slow, what is happen? We will reduce the ink pass through the bag in this case. So this is the print.
So after all, we moved with we unlock the frame.
It's perfect.
We try to move with the palette. We try to move with the screen.
Yeah, we move and it's good.
It's very, very good. So can we try some production?
Yeah, but I need your help.
Yes, of course. A question from my colleague.
Tady máme mikrofon. Honzo, tady máš mikrofon na otázku.
Jakýma barvama teď stiskneme? Vím, že tady ty barvy stály.
Tak, můžu na to odpovědět, prosím, rovnou?
Já to vím. Teď stiskneme vodovkama, to znamená celou dobu tady ty barvy stály a z toho, jak vlastně nezasychají, tak jsme to dokázali roztisknout. Není to plastizol.
Co to znamená, že vlastně vodovky rády zasychají v sítě a jsme tady si hráli právě s nastavením a tak podobně, tak stejně to vlastně v tom sítě nezaschlo a pokračujeme dál.
Určitě o těch barvách se potom dozvíte s naším dalším hostem.
Can you reduce the temperature on the flash, please?
Of course.
Or the time? Because now the pellets comes warm, we don't need too much temperature to dry it.
Tomé, co se stane, když ta teplota zůstane moc vysoká?
My jsme mysleli, Tome, jak teďka Josh chtěl snížit teplotu toho flashe, tak kdyby se to nesnížilo, jestli by se to zeptal, co by se přihodilo.
Tak, z principu, tak já už to chápu pořádně, to vlastně znamená, že my jsme měli napálený čas i teplotu toho flashe právě proto, že palety ještě nebyly pořádně rozehřáté. V tuhle chvíli palety už mají nějakou svou vlastní teplotu a už pomáhají vlastně tomu mezisušení při tisku. A aktuálně bychom zbytečně přepalovali vlastně materiál a zase by mašina zbytečně čekala právě na to, až proběhne ten flashovící cyklus. Je to OK, Mateo? Perfekt. A děkuji za otázku z publika. Jako lepidlo na palety používáme lepidlo ve spreji od KIWO Fix SX, který má perfektní stabilitu a dlouho vlastně vydrží. Jo. Tak si to můžu vzít. Jestli máte kdokoliv nějaké otázky, pojďte do toho. You mean the pressure? The foot bar. Krásný, děkuji. Opět otázka z publika. Samozřejmě to bude všechno zodpovězeno v dalších prezentacích, ale aktuálně vlastně používáme sítoviny od značky SEFAR, od Švýcarů, a jedná se o PME 59, a je to vlastně Open Mesh. O tom se dozvíte vlastně více v další prezentaci.
Yeah. You know why?
Yes. Potom, co se týče vlastně grafiky, tak tady jsme si troufli tisknout docela jemný vlastně písmenka a je tam vlastně popsaný celý ten proces toho tisku, opravdu včetně detailů od vůbec to, jak se ta šablona připravovala, jak se předtím brousilo a jaký lepidlo se použilo a tak podobně. Takže po nocích můžete studovat.
No a Tome?
Myslím, že už můžeme jakoby to teďka stopnout, víš, jakože... Čekat, to můžeme stopnout, nebo co myslíš?
Tome, tak máme roztisknuto?
Máme roztisknuto, všechno běží, jak má, podle mě.
Výborně.
A
Tak já navrhuji, pane doktore, že bychom zastavili stream a my budeme dál tisknout a to znamená, že pro vás vlastně začneme dřív s přestávkou, můžete využít občerstvení, co je nahoře, nebo tady se podívat na stroj zblízka.
můžete si stoupnout a...
Pobavit se, teď je ten čas se na to podívat ještě zblízka. Takže můžeme zastavit stream.